You are going to love the 2014 Spark. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, FWD, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, reclining seats, beverage holders, side airbag system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.